man overboard MOB situation on board the ship. If you are working with someone and if you see him that he is fallen overboard, what are the steps you are going to take? What will be your first action? So normally we see that when we are working, when our crew are working, they are carrying walkie-talkies, especially on car carriers, and I hope on other type of vessels as well. They are working with walkie-talkies. So if you are working with walkie-talkie, first action should be you have to inform the bridge and keep an eye to the person who has fallen overboard. At the same time, throw a nearest life buoy. If you cannot see any life buoy nearby you, you can throw any of the object which is highly visible. Like it can be some plastic, bigger plastic which is very bright, which can be seen from a very large distance, or in emergency situation you can throw your boiler suit as well, because in many of the companies, in many of the ships, crew are wearing a very bright color boiler suits, so it is also very highly visible when we can see in open waters, not sea is rough. When sea is very smooth, we can see that. Or in when you are not able to find anything, so it is better to throw your boiler suit, so that you can keep an eye for some time. So your duty is finished. If you have informed the bridge, you have informed the crew who is working nearby, so that they can keep a watch on the person who has fallen overboard, and you are keeping an eye. So it should be a continuous. Okay, don't miss the target, don't miss the person who has fallen overboard. Then the responsibility comes on the officer on watch. So what are the actions he is going to take? First action, if he is inside the bridge, he has to alter the ship. He has to give a hard helm. If a person has fallen on starboard side, he has to give a hard starboard. If person has fallen port side, he has to give hard port, so that this person doesn't come inside the propeller. Because if a person has fallen overboard, like for example he has fallen overboard on starboard side, and you are altering towards port side, so after some times your propeller, means this person will come astern of you, because you have altered to your port, and this propeller can suck the person. So better, and it is the best action, that you have to alter on the side where this person has fallen. Next step, just go outside the bridge wing, on the bridge wing, and release the MOB marker. When you have released the MOB marker, after come inside the bridge, plot the position on the ACDES. You can press the button also. After that, just call the master, inform him that you have this person has fallen overboard, and you have taken the action, like you have altered this, whatever you want to tell, but it should be in a brief. Then you have to announce on a PA system that this thing has happened, and all crew are advised to muster on this location and keep a watch on both sides, because the person you have to keep a watch on both sides, and better to keep a watch where the person is, because the on seen person is going to tell, like if he is keeping a continuous watch, he will tell this person is this side, so everybody can keep a watch. When master comes on the bridge, that time, according to his judgment, he has to take, or he will take the action. Like there are different turnings, like Williamson turn, Anderson turn, single turn. So like as per his judgment, as per the situation, he will take the action, and when he has taken the action, the ship will come, and then the next step will come, how you are going to rescue that person through rescue boat. And meanwhile you have to prepare your rescue boat as well. And you have to prepare, your medical team has to prepare all the equipments like stretcher and all other things, first aid kit, so that this person has fallen, so you can give first aid when he is when you have recovered the person. Then this live boat party, who are assigned for rescue boat, they will go and rescue this person, and then the procedure which is listed for rescuing a person, and that procedure we are going to follow, which I'm going to tell in my next video. So keep watching. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet.